Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is a very interesting video. This is a giveaway. I will show you how this hairstyle was done with this beautiful hair, and I'll also provide the information on how you can win 7 packs of this hair. Okay, the company will be picking 30 winners from their DM, so stay tuned to get all the information. After I make sure that her hair is moisturized very well, now we're doing the braid pattern. And of course, the loop of the hair, the passion twist hair is not that big. So we're doing 10 rows straight back because the hair, the twist is not that big. So we're making sure that her hair looks full. So I'm doing the braid pattern here. Very easy, a little time consuming comparing to the regular straight back, but it's worth it because it's gonna look very natural. Right here, I'm almost done with it. I'm making sure I linked everything together, and then we'll be ready to crochet the hair in. Now that we are done with the braid pattern, this pattern take me like 30 minutes. Because I've been doing it for a while now, so it doesn't take me that long anymore, but it's worth it. Took me 30 minutes to do it. Now we're making sure that we're using some good oil on her hair. I'm using the Haitian castor oil from amalis.com. I'll make sure I link it in the description box. That's how the braid pattern looks like. The passion twist we're using is small, so we need to have those squares small so it can look right. This is the hair that we are using from Dorsanee Beauty. This is the name of the company. Everything will be linked in the description box. The hair is very easy to install. Even though the twists are small, you can open the loop as wide as you want, and the hair is super light, easy to install.
The story and I'll make it true. I'll build an oasis for you. I'll build an oasis for you.
We are basically done here. This hairstyle was easy to install. The hair is super light even though it looks very dense. See how many twists she's wearing? She's wearing a lot of twists. 22 inches, color 1B. It's very pretty and very light. The loop can be opened wider to make the process easier for you. Now let's talk about the giveaway rule. Again, Dorsanee is picking 30 winners in their DM. Let me tell you about the rules now. The rules are pretty simple. They have a YouTube channel. You subscribe there. This video that you're looking right here, right now, like this video and comment entered under this video. Find their Facebook group, which I'll be linking in the description box. Get on their Facebook group, and you have to DM them after you follow them on Instagram. DM them that you've entered the giveaway, because that's where they will be picking you. It's from their DM, so you have to DM them. They'll be picking 30 people in 7 days. So this Sunday the 12th, they will pick the winners from their DM, so you have to DM them. Thank you very much for watching this video. Again, the hair is from the Dorsanee Beauty. They are on Amazon. When you order that hair, you get it in 2 days if you have Prime. They have the hair from 6 inches to 32 inches. They have a variety of hair. I'll make sure I linked their Amazon link, their website, in the description box. Everything you need to know about the hair will be in the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one.
Let's write a story of love and make it true. places.